Click the link in the description and watch the completed shorts. Plus, learn how to monetize and launch your own turnkey recipe shorts.
Chicken, first by removing the wing tips, wishbone, and the backbone. Then I went ahead and broke it down into quarter legs and split the breast. Time to season with salt, pepper.
Ready to make juicy barbecue chicken just like this? Let's go. First thing you're going to want to do is give your chicken seasoning with your favorite rub. After that, place that on your smoker about 300 degrees for about 45 minutes to 1 hour.
So good.
This is the easiest grilled chicken. I'm using Brooks barbecue chicken sauce, but even Italian dressing works. Soak them all day, grill them up, serve with